I'm sick right now.
I sincerely hope I don't mess it up. This was a limb that fell out of the sassafras tree in the front yard. I was just starting to think about cue building. The only lathe in the house is a Shopsmith Mark V from 1983. I had an image in my head and I had to manifest that in the form of an actual stick. And when I took this out shooting, it got so much attention. It's magnificent. I'm thinking about fixing the stick and asking myself whether I want to risk destroying sassafras. It would be a challenge to try to fix this. I think I'm going to do it though anyhow. I can't be a cue builder and go out with a stick that's all bad.